Welcome to Toony Tribe, where imagination comes to life.
Jinx found a book with golden shine. He said, let's try a spell this time. With swirling lights and zigzag zap, he cast a spell, then heard a snap.
A tiny bug began to glow. It blinked and said, well, hello. Riley gasped and Liam froze.
Noah dropped his jelly toast.
I taught the thanks to magic might.
I'd love a snack and take a flight.
The kids all laughed, their eyes grew wide. You're the coolest bug alive.
Jinx flipped the book, his face turned red. Oh no, that's not the spell I read. The talking bug was not the plan. It should have made a talking fan.
The bug just danced with tiny shoes, singing loud some buggy blues.
I got some jokes, a song, a jig, and dreams to be a magic gig.
With one last twirl he waved goodbye.
It sparkled up into the sky.
So if a bug says how do you do, it might be Jinx or magic too.